When it comes to high-quality tools, Milwaukee is a brand that's been leading the way for years. And to keep dominating the industry, this manufacturer constantly adds innovative tools to the lineup. So in today's video, we'll show you some Milwaukee tools you have probably never seen before. You can't skip the leveling process before starting any construction project. That's why Milwaukee designed this three-plane laser, which is a high-performing leveling tool made for quick and easy alignment, leveling, and squaring tasks. This laser provides an all-in-one functionality with one horizontal line and two vertical lines to lay out large spaces with just one tool. Plus a three-mode pendulum system that enables you to switch between different modes for increased accuracy and precision. One of the standout features of this laser is the high-intensity green diodes that provide maximized visibility. And if you're worried about runtime, not an issue. You'll get an all-day runtime of up to 15 hours. So working all day long is no longer a matter of concern. And the integrated magnetic bracket allows safe and quick mounting anytime, anywhere. Often, we see professionals hesitant to use a cordless right-angle die grinder for commercial metalworking jobs. But once you see this Milwaukee angle die grinder in action, you'll be relying on it even for the toughest tasks. This tool is designed with professional service mechanics in mind, delivering the performance and compact size you demand. With a 0.3 horsepower motor output and power state brushless motor technology, this grinder is ideal for all the grinding, cutting, and shaping jobs. Thanks to the 4-mode speed control dial, you can easily adjust the speed to the perfect max RPM for safer operation. But that's not all. It boasts a variable speed trigger for greater accuracy from job to job. And the mobility? That separated this tool from the other available models. No time to explain. These Milwaukee Jobsite scissors will be your ultimate cutting companion for demanding work sites. These scissors are built to last with iron carbide cutting edges that offer unrivaled durability and a longer lifespan compared to traditional stainless steel scissors. But that's not all. The chrome-plated blades provide maximum rust protection, ensuring your scissors stay in tip-top condition even after prolonged use. What's more, these scissors are constructed with an all-metal core and metal handle, making them virtually indestructible against drops and handle breakages. And with the bolt lock technology, you can be sure that the blades won't loosen, ensuring precision cutting every time. Annoyed with lugging around all those heavy, clunky pipe stands that cause hassle more than work? Count on this Milwaukee pipe stand that delivers portability and steadiness in a sleek and compact design. It comes with a flat profile and offers easy-to-store facilities. With a balanced carry handle, you can transport it around the job site like a briefcase. But the fun doesn't stop there. The flat fold design provides quick setup, so you can set this stand up in no time and get to work in minutes. It also features a stable lock functionality that lets you adjust the tension of the deck to maintain steadiness throughout the life of the stand, making you work like a balancing pro. It's the ultimate tool for electricians, plumbers, and mechanical contractors who want to be both mobile and steady. Next on the list is the Milwaukee M18 threaded rod cutter. It's an ultimate cutting powerhouse that'll take your work to new heights. with the ability to cut through a 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch mild steel, as well as stainless steel threaded rods, this tool stands like your best go-to cutter. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers an impressive 400 cuts when running on an M18 red lithium 2.0 amp-hour battery. This rod cutter also features 4-sided cutting dies that can cut all standard size rods in a single pass. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for threaded rod cutting. Plus, it has an optimized blade geometry and cutting speed, so you will no longer have to face any chips or sparks. All you're gonna get is burr-free cuts. Milwaukee M18 SDS Drill. It's an efficient drilling solution that comes with a unique dust collecting system to make all your tasks cleaner and more precise. It features automatic dust collection operation from the on-off trigger switch, exchangeable nozzles, and an adjustable dust extraction aluminum tube that can collect dust up to 200 millimeter depth. On top of that, this drill packs a highly efficient HEPA filter that can collect 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. Plus, the translucent dust box lets you monitor the dust level when it needs to be emptied. And with an adjustable depth gauge and bright LED workspace illumination, you can have accurate hole depths and better visibility even in dark spaces. A pair of right-hand gloves are essential when you're working with sparks and other hazards. Keeping that in mind, Milwaukee designed these leather gloves that are the greatest protective gear for your hands. Made with top-grain goatskin leather, these gloves offer extended durability and reinforced protection, making them perfect for heavy-duty jobs. The reinforced palm provides additional comfort and protection while handling heavy objects, while the keystone thumb ensures a comfortable fit and extended wear. Hold on, these gloves also have the Smart Swipe feature that enables you to use touchscreen devices without removing the gloves, thanks to the index finger knuckle. So, it's time to experience superior protection, comfort, and convenience in one product. Get ready to feel an explosive power at the workshop. This Milwaukee D-handle impact wrench may look like a grenade launcher, but it's even better with an insane 2,576 Newton-meter of torque. This beast can take on bolts up to M42. But that's not all. The battery isolator feature extends the lifespan of the tool and battery, making it the gift that keeps on giving. And don't worry about working in dimly lit areas. The Tri-LED feature ensures that you'll always have the perfect amount of light. Plus, with the ability to fasten around 200 M22 bolts on a single charge, you won't need a compressor or generator. Get ready to blow away the competition with the Milwaukee D-handle impact wrench. It's time to shed some light on your work area with the Milwaukee Pivoting Area Light. Don't go on its look. This compact M18 floodlight is perfect for all your service and maintenance needs. With TrueView high-definition lighting that delivers up to 1,500 lumens, this light can replace your old 500-watt halogen. Most importantly, it offers you a total runtime of up to 20 hours, meaning it'll keep up with you all day long. But wait, there is more. This pivoting light also features powerful magnets that let you mount it anywhere from any angle. And the polycarbonate lens is impact resistant and can withstand drops up to 2.7 meters, while the IP54 rating protects against dust and splashing water. To conclude the list, we have Milwaukee's Force Logic ProPEX expansion tool. This cordless hydraulic system is made for expanding 2 to 3-inch Upponner PEX pipes and is compatible with up to 3-inch Upponner ProPEX, making it a versatile tool for plumbing and heating applications. It features a quick cam mechanism that allows for fast and continuous expansion. Plus, the built-in auto-rotate mechanism enables effortless, one-handed use of the tool. This Force Logic expansion tool is built for durability, with all metal gears and an integrated magnesium frame that can withstand tough job site conditions. In addition, the tool features an LED work light that illuminates the work area in dark locations. Last but not least, the battery fuel gauge constantly displays the remaining runtime of the tool's battery, allowing you to monitor the battery's charge level and plan the work accordingly. All right, that was the list of the Milwaukee tools you probably have never seen before. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you'd like more videos like this on your feed.